Okay, I'm going to show you how to install the Monroe P65 ribbon. It's a twin spool ribbon, and there's currently an M33X cartridges in the calculator. That is what is coming within the calculators when you get them new from the factory. So we'll first remove that. You can just start with sliding up from the left. Pretty easy to remove. You're going to make sure that there's nothing that's stuck within the channel there. There really shouldn't be, but just to give it a quick visual, once you take the P65 out of the box, it'll be in this plastic packaging, and open that up. It's going to come like this, and you'll see that the bottoms, they'll have these little, I'll say pins. You're going to want to make sure that they're facing down within the printer, because those are actually going to be what's driven by these guys over here. So I'll start with just putting in the right side here and listen for that click. Also look up top here. I'm going to just point or zoom in a bit here. If I can get that over there. You'll see there's a little pin up top right here. You want to make sure that clicks through. All right, now I'm going to fish this through the rest here. So it'll come under the pin here. And you can keep this taut a bit. That kind of helps guide it. You can use a pen if you so choose to get that ribbon around. And then similar to the other side, you're going to drop this in and click it. You're going to want to make sure that the ribbon does not have, is not loose in here. So you can pull this side over there just to get it nice and tight. And then you'll take your paper and pop that through, up and over, feed that in to the calculator, and then press the advance key, which is found, slide it down here, which can be found right here to bring that paper through. And then you can slide the top back on and you'll be back in business. And that is how to install the P65 ribbon spools.